Mr. Yusuf, this is the one procedure we already finished. Now second procedure will be start for the packing. So before we have to packing, we have to put the 1 or 2 minutes the crab into the water. That must be the sea water. If there is a no sea water available, then we have to put some salt in the water. If sea water is available, then take the sea water like this. This is the sea water, and now we have to put the crab for the sleeping the crab for the 1 or 2 minutes. So crab will be drink the water, and it could be a very strong. Afterwards, put in the water. So now we are putting the crab in the water. See like this. The crab must be dipped in the water. This could be kept in only for 1 minute. 1 minute. After the 1 minute, it could be drink the waters and take out. Take out the jelly again. Like this, we have to take out. That afterwards put in the water. Then take out this. Then afterwards we have to keep like this. Like this, to release the water for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. After the release the water, then we have to use the thermocol box like this. This is the thermocol box, puff box we are using for the exports, and we have to make at least the 4 hole, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hole we have to make like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each and every side, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the whole side, like whole side. 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4 wall we have to make. And top of the box, that is the cover, we have to make another 2 hole, like 1 and 2. This is the procedure of the hole we have to make. Afterwards, they clean the box. Then box is ready for the packing. Then we have to pack like this. Now we are ready to packing. You see how we are packing. We put the crab in queue like this. These guys will be show you how to pack it. Like this, we have to put the crabs like this. The mouth should be upside. Like this. We have to put one by one. This guys is now ready for the packing. They already pack the mouth. The crab mouth should be upside. We have to keep it upside. So he can breathing the very well, and air through the box. It will be take out some breathing very well. Then it will be not mortality come out. This is the procedure for the packing. Now you can see the first row is already completed. This is the first row. Already we completed in the one box. So like second row and third row. Only for 15 kg we have to put in the one box.
I am also sending one photo of like this.
I am also sending the photo picture after the whole packing. Packing is finished, then we have to do one more thing like this. Like this we have to already packing. Now pack, and we have to use the tab. We have to use the tab. Now afterwards we have to wait also like this. This is our electronic balance, and we have to wait like this. We have to wait. We have to wait is 15 kg, up to 15 kg. We have to wait up to the 15 kg. This is for demo. I show you. Afterwards, weights is 15 kg finished. That is the net weight. The gross weight of the box we have to deduct. Net weight must be 15 kg. After the 50, that one done, then we have to, like a tape, we have to use the tape. The tape should be like this. We have to put 2 or 3 round of the tape like this. Then other side also we have to do. Like this. This is the over. Now we have to 1 round for the this. This is the air circulations will be go outside. We have to pack it. Like this we have to pack it. Okay. Now this is the complete the procedure. We have to pack it. Now it is ready to go for the airport. You have to write down the on the top of the box and side of the box. You can see I write down for you. If it is 500 gram up, then you have to put 500 gram up on the top of the box and side of the both side of the box, like this side and this side. You have to put the 500 gram up. Top also 500 gram up. So this is very easy procedure for the crab packing and process. Like this I write for you. This is the 500 gram up. Here also you can see very well 500 gram up. This is the procedure how we are packed. Now it is ready to go for the airport. Now I explain you that Mr. Anup is coming there, that he is with me. Now I show you he's with me, right? I will show you the how he's doing the work. This is the Mr. Anup, and this is the crab how they are packing, and this is our staff. They help to you, and every day we are doing the at least 1 ton crab packing. And this guys, Mr. Anup, is follow to you, and he will be soon come to there. But his responsibility is only packing to you and everything. The other thing like financial and regarding the reports and everything, that is my own responsibility. Regarding money matter also, that is my own responsibility. His responsibility only you. He help you and maintain the quality with you, and you have to guide him very well and keep care of him. Mr. Anup want to say something to you.
Hello, Mr. Yusuf.
How
are you? I hope you are fine there.
And
I'm also coming there.
End of this month.
For our business. So I hope we will do the successful business with you. So please be patient for that. I will be reached soon.
This guy also will be follow to Mr. Anup very soon. Maybe after 1 month, these guys will become. After the Mr. Anup is given me the report that the crab is there and very well and quality is no problem, then these guys also follow to you. This guy have a very good experience in crab, and last 10 years he is working with me. So I'm also sending to him for you, for help you everywhere. So I hope you understand each and everything. If you don't understand, please contact me without any hesitate. Bye.